Hi, I'm Marc Lancet, and I'm inviting you to join us in Cerdeira, Portugal, for a workshop in wood-fired ceramics. And in this summer, starting at the end of June, we will gather and we will focus on three areas. One of them is the aspect of wood fire, learning how to wood fire. We will actually wood fire together in the Sasukenei smokeless kiln, and we will learn everything we can possibly learn about wood firing together by exploring the ideas, demonstrating the ideas, and answering every and all questions. So it'll be a very learning focused workshop. We will work in a wonderful community of artists, and that will be the second area of focus, which is your own aspects as an artist. Where are you in your art practice? Are you just beginning? Are you well involved into your practice? Wherever you are, we want to move forward from there. And finally, I will demonstrate a vast number of throwing and hand building techniques so that you can pursue ideas in every realm that you're interested in. And all of this takes place in the most remarkably beautiful environment which has been created in Cerdeira, the home for creativity, dedicated to creating an open space for us to explore our capacity as artists. I hope you'll join me there.